Imagine waking up, checking your dashboard, and seeing fresh leads, affiliate clicks, and brand new audiences engaging with your business. And the kicker, they're engaging with high-quality content that you never filmed, you never edited, and you never even appeared in. We are witnessing a massive, fundamental shift right now in how digital attention is captured and monetized. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're analyzing a fascinating source on a platform called Vydora AI, and we're going to look at exactly how the faceless content economy is being rapidly automated to save immense amounts of time and capital. So this brings us to a massive question that pretty much every digital entrepreneur and marketer is asking right now. Is faceless AI actually the future of content creation? Are we looking at the next evolution of digital real estate? Or is this just another passing tech trend? Well, to understand what's really happening, we have to look at the massive bottlenecks in traditional media production and how automated tools are stepping in to completely rewire the system. They're turning what used to be a grueling creative process into a totally streamlined business operation. Think about the old way for a second. Creating high-quality visual content traditionally required expensive cameras, complicated lighting setups, high-end microphones, and literally days of frustrating editing. It was a massive drain on both your cost and your time, pulling you away from actually running your business. Now, contrast that with the Vydora AI way. We're talking about a cloud-based, fully automated workflow that takes you from a blank screen to a published asset in minutes. It completely removes that production bottleneck. It functions as a massive time-saving solution for businesses that just need to get their message out there efficiently, without all that bloated overhead. Section 1. Enter Vydora AI, the automation engine. Let's dive right into exactly what this platform is. Vydora AI is defined as a cloud-based AI creation platform focused on generating monetizable, SEO-optimized faceless content and doing it incredibly fast. Notice the emphasis there. This isn't some kind of magic trick. It's a structural business tool. Its core selling point is sheer speed and scalable content production. It takes the heavy lifting out of media creation so you can actually focus on the business strategy behind the content, rather than getting bogged down tweaking timelines, adjusting audio levels, and trying to master complex software. Okay, here's exactly how the process builds, step by step. Step 1. The AI generates the script based heavily on your specific niche and target audience. Step 2. The platform instantly produces a professional voiceover and pairs it with realistic AI avatars and dynamic visuals to retain attention. And step 3, the system automatically creates the crucial SEO assets, your titles, your tags, your descriptions, everything you need to actually rank. This is the absolute definition of ease of use. It takes a really complex, multi-day, multi-software workflow and consolidates it into 3 seamless steps, automating the heavy lifting so entrepreneurs can focus entirely on scaling their reach. 0. That is the exact number of cameras you need. It's the exact number of advanced editing skills you need to learn, and the exact amount of expensive software subscriptions you have to juggle to make this work. By completely eliminating the technical barrier to entry, this platform lets anyone with a solid idea and a clear market start generating highly targeted digital assets right away. Section 2. Scaling traffic and generating leads. Because look, content without a clear business purpose is just digital noise. The crucial point here is understanding CPM, or cost per mil. This metric represents how much advertisers are actually willing to pay per 1,000 views on a piece of content. Now, why does this matter for lead generation? Because high CPMs indicate highly valuable, buyer-ready audiences. The strategy here isn't just to chase random viral vanity metrics. It's about using Vydora AI to deliberately target audiences that are looking to solve specific problems, make significant purchases, and invest in real solutions. Vydora AI is specifically geared toward targeting high-value niches. We're talking personal finance, investing, AI tools, business software, and tech reviews. These are incredibly high CPM niches because the viewers are actively primed to take action and, pull out their credit cards. When you automate content in these specific categories, you aren't just getting eyeballs. You're systematically capturing high-quality leads that are significantly more likely to transform into actual sales, lucrative affiliate conversions, and high-ticket B2B inquiries. When you build a consistent faceless channel using an automated tool, it acts as a scalable engine, generating multiple streams of concrete value for your business. You've got ad revenue, sure, that's the baseline. But much more importantly, you drive highly targeted traffic directly to affiliate commissions, you channel motivated viewers toward your own digital product sales, and you generate steady inbound agency leads. By automating the production process, you're effectively automating your entire top-of-funnel marketing strategy across 4 distinct revenue streams. This right here is the ultimate goal of true business automation. You create the asset once, leveraging the AI to keep your personal time investment minimal, and then you just let the algorithm do the heavy lifting of generating leads for months or even years while you sleep. This fundamentally shifts your media from temporary, fleeting social media posts into long-term, highly scalable business assets that work around the clock to grow your bottom line. Section 3. The window of opportunity. Listen, there is currently a surging, practically unprecedented demand for AI-generated media across the entire digital landscape. We're seeing a massive explosion in profitable faceless channels, marketing agencies desperately needing rapid client content production to keep up with demand, marketers requiring endless assets to test in their affiliate funnels, and big brands demanding viral shorts at an impossible scale. The market is absolutely desperate for fast, affordable, and highly scalable content solutions. And that is the exact market gap Vydora AI is engineered to fill. And consider the stark economics of this model for a second. A traditional business requires signing leases for office space, going through the absolute nightmare of hiring and managing employees, dealing with supply chains, and managing physical inventory. The financial overhead is massive and, quite frankly, risky. An AI content business flips that outdated model entirely on its head. Your inputs are simply AI tools, targeted strategic creativity, and publishing consistency. The startup costs are remarkably low, making the barrier to entry almost non-existent for those who are ready to take action and execute on a proven blueprint. Section 4. The Vydora AI Advantage. The core benefits here are perfectly aligned with the principles of business process automation. Extreme speed of production allows you to outpace competitors. It's highly beginner-friendly, requiring zero prior technical knowledge or software experience. It allows for 100% faceless content, protecting your personal privacy while you build valuable brand assets. It features a built-in focus on SEO and monetization, ensuring your message is actually found by buyers. And finally, boundless scalability. If a specific campaign is working well, you can instantly ramp up production without ever needing to hire a massive creative team. Section 5. The reality check, strategy over magic. As the source material explicitly states, this is not a lottery ticket. It's absolutely vital that we ground this in reality and don't overclaim here. Vydora AI is an automation tool, an incredibly effective one that saves immense amounts of time and operational cost, but it is not a magic button you press to get rich overnight. Real success with this platform requires treating it exactly like what it is, a serious, real-world business process that demands respect and focus. The requirements for success are very grounded and rely entirely on your execution. You must have strict publishing consistency. You need smart niche selection, deliberately targeting those high CPM, buyer-ready audiences we discussed earlier. You need strong visual hooks to capture attention in the feed, and most importantly, you need a real thought-out business strategy to transform those automated leads into actual sales and conversions. The human element of strategic thinking is still very much required to steer the ship. AI can accelerate the process, absolutely, but you still need strategy. Think of Vydora AI as the ultimate, tireless assistant. It executes the tedious, time-consuming, and highly technical tasks flawlessly and instantly. This immense leverage frees you up to be the actual architect of the business, directing the traffic, analyzing the data, and optimizing the conversion funnels for maximum profitability. Section 6. Your next move, the early adopter advantage. The reality of the tech space is this. Once powerful tools like this become universally adopted and fully mainstream, the competition for consumer attention is going to absolutely skyrocket. Right now, there is a golden, rapidly closing window where you can leverage this incredible automation to secure valuable digital real estate, establish your channels as authorities, and build your lead generation systems long before the broader market catches on and saturates the high-value niches. If you are serious about automating your business processes, saving massive amounts of time on content creation, and generating scalable, highly targeted leads, you need to evaluate this tool for yourself immediately. I strongly encourage you to check out the link directly below right now. Get in there, look at the platform's capabilities firsthand, and take advantage of this incredible leverage before the initial launch pricing disappears forever. The shift to automated content creation is happening with or without you. The only question left to answer is, will you position yourself ahead of this massive AI wave to capture those high-value leads and build your assets? Or will you just watch from the sidelines as others automate their success and take your market share? Don't wait. Click the link below right now to learn more and start building your automated content engine today. I'll see you on the inside.